This is Angel. She loves doing her hair and often decides to record herself doing it. She sometimes posts her hair videos on TikTok and YouTube, hoping that she one day gets paid for installing wigs. A lot of her family members from Africa think she buys the wigs she throws on every week, but somehow she has managed to get them all for free. Let me give you a little backstory. Angel came into the US like a year ago. She knew she's a baddie, so she decided to make a smart move by being a wig reviewer on Amazon, and this has given her the opportunity to try on a variety of wigs without having to pay for them. She now have over 50 wigs, even though she gave some to siblings, friends, and family. She decided to become a wig influencer, so she doesn't have to buy wigs for college, but I'm sure she will, because there are some amazing colors that she hasn't tried on yet. I really hope she benefits from her content and one day starts to earn from them, even if it's the bare minimum, because she has been trying to become an influencer since 10 years ago, but up till now, she's still in the trying phase. She has come really far in her creative journey, and I hope one day she lives her dreams. She is learning every day and improving her content strategy as days and months go by. She is just a small creator with a big dream and a big heart. And if there's one thing I love about Angel, is that she never gives up no matter the circumstances. She always switches it up, and watching her growth is amazing. If you haven't subscribed to her channel yet, then you are definitely missing out. Anyways, thanks for listening, and make sure to subscribe to this channel.